The swapping phone cases TikTok trend involves creators recalling times they were asked to exchange phone cases, but adamantly refused. This refusal signifies that the creators may be hiding a blade in their phone case, indicating struggles with self-harm and mental health challenges. Related videos also include creators referencing clear phone cases loved ones bought for them in order to prevent them from hiding blades used for self-harm. While clear phone cases in TikTok videos can suggest a history of self-harm, remember, not everyone with a clear phone case is facing such challenges. However, if someone you know is struggling, or you suspect they're struggling, you can show support and solidarity by letting them know you care about them and encouraging them to seek help without passing judgment on their actions. If you're struggling with self-harm or poor mental health, please reach out to someone you love and trust, or seek support from resources like Kids Health or the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, SAHMSA.